Sup guys, your boy Quickstock here to talk about Square Inc. So let's get right into it. Square, ticker symbol SQ, is trading for $57 a share as of March 13th, 2020, down a whopping 32% from its highs seen last month. However, don't get it twisted, the company is still running on all cylinders, as we can see from Square's fourth quarter 2019 revenue. Up 46% year over year. Full year sales were up $4.7 billion, up 43%. And 2019 adjusted EBITDA up 63% to a whopping $417 million, with a market cap of $25 billion and an insane PE of 80. Even after the most recent corrections. So what is the deal? Is Square easy money after its most recent correction, or are investors getting worried about its incredibly high PE and economic uncertainty? Well, let's take a quick look. The primary reason for Square's most recent correction is obviously regarding the CV concern. So what does the CV mean for Square? Well, currently Square only accepts card payments in the United States, Canada, Australia, and the United Kingdom, with the majority of its business coming from the United States in the restaurant and traveling vendor industry. A decrease in shopping activity will obviously hurt its payment-based business. With restaurant traffic slowing, events and conventions being canceled, short-term Square will see a slowdown in its payment-based business, along with supply chain disruption in Asia, could result in shortages of Square's hardware like their payment terminals. Ultimately, the severity in which these regions are affected by the CV will play a significant role in Square Inc.'s next few quarters. As I am not a psychic, I'm not going to try and make predictions regarding concrete short-term implications. What we do know is Square Inc. is on the brink of being consistently profitable. As we can see here, besides Q4 2019, which was by far a record quarter, Square has struggled with profitability and relied on investors' goodwill, and with an economic slowdown looming, it's hard to say how investors will react if Square cannot remain profitable. Good news is Square has over $1 billion in cash on its balance sheet, covering all of its current debts with a few $100 million to spare, giving it a nice cushion from any short-term hurdles. Alright, let's get into Square's technology. POS, or point of sale, has been Square's bread and butter. POS is the time and place where a retail transaction is completed and a customer executes the payment for goods or services using a POS payment device. This technology allows vendors to manage inventory, customer relation management, financials, and warehousing much easier. This is why you see so many large retailers push their store credit cards. So where is Square at in the point of sale category? According to Inlet, after measuring 10,000 plus companies using these products and technology, Square has an impressive market share of 35%, with its nearest competitor being Lightspeed coming in with a mere 15% market share. But Square is much more than just a POS company. Square has an impressive Cash App as well. I like to take a look at the company's websites before investing, so let's take a look. Square's Cash App is a mobile payment service allowing users to transfer money to one another using a mobile phone app. That is also a brokerage that one could say used to invest in Square stock. If you take a look at the website here, it's pretty easy to see they are trying to target the younger generation, being a competitor to PayPal's Venmo and Robinhood's brokerage all in one. Also worth noting is Square is having an investor day March 24th, which is just a little more than a week away, which will actually be hosted online to accommodate travel restrictions. So if you'd like to check it out, it's very likely we'll see some new impressive technology from the... So after all that, what's my plan? I actually already have a small position in Square of 13 shares with a cost basis of $51. As much as I do believe in the company, with such a high PE and a questionable next few quarters in store, I will not be increasing my position unless we see the share prices come down to the high 40s, in which I would love to increase my position. In the meantime, check out some of my other videos to see some payment processing companies that I am currently investing in. Anyways, that's all I got for today. Hopefully y'all are having a good one, and I'll talk to you later.